Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Well, I came across these lovely nails. I will link it up here by Just Fake It. I will link her Instagram page here, otherwise I'll put it in the description box below. Go ahead and have a look at her stuff. Her nail artwork is just gorgeous. But yeah, I really like these and they have inspired me to do something similar. Now I say inspired because I don't copy anybody's work, but I do take inspiration from it. Now I'm not going to be using blue at all, but I am going to be using pink and purple. I have some tissue paper down because I'm not sure how she did it or anything, but I'm going to go in with some pigments and I'm going to do it that way. And I'll use some foil glue as well, and we'll use some Sharpies and we'll see how we get on. Now I have gone in already and I have put 2 coats of my favourite white polish on my nails. Obviously if you are not allergic to gels, you could use gels, and the tacky layer of the gels would work perfectly, but because there's no tacky layer on regular polish, I'm going to go in with some cheap ass foil glue. For the likes of this, I do not use my expensive glues, so I am just going to do that on the fingers that I want that pigment blend. So while that is drying on these 2 fingers here, I am actually going to go in with some gel, and I'm going to use clear builder gel from the manicure company because I don't get an allergic reaction to this, and it's just like using a top coat, so it works out fine for our smoky kind of effect. Now this one has like a ton of glitter in it and I don't even know how that happened or when that happened, but I'm gonna have to be careful because I do not want any glitter on my nails. I'll definitely have to purchase some new one. So I will cure them in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm just going to wipe that tacky layer off, and then we're going to go in with our Sharpies and colour in. But I just have this old brush and I'm going to dip it into my gel cleanse and wipe, and that will be able to disperse. There we go, I think that looks well. There we have them. I just top coat and we are done. So here we have what they look like now, top coated and cleaned up, and I think they are pretty. It's just something not right. This one and this one, the marble too, are definitely my favourite. So I've had it on a little while now, and the stripes are really not sitting well with me, so I thought I would go in and I would put either the honeycomb or this pattern. I think this pattern over the stripes would go really well. So this is the Nicole Diary Animal World 004 plate. So I'm just going to put a bit of acetone on it just to clean it down, make sure there's no stickiness or anything anywhere. So here we are, and I much prefer them now. I think they look much better. Now I do need to clean up and I need to oil up, but yeah, so there they are. If you like them, guys, why don't you give me a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, which is just here, and of course if you want to watch another one of my videos, they're just here. Why don't you go over to my Instagram channel? I will link it across the bottom here if you want to take a look at some proper pictures of these. So until the next time, stay safe. Bye.